Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out this beautiful Santoku knife from Hoshanho. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this knife and you want to help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission for the sale of this item. And before getting started, I just want to thank Hoshanho for sending me out this awesome knife to review. Let's get started. Let's have a look at the box that the knife comes in. Pretty high quality. Nice foam on the inside. Nice to see that they shipped the knife with bumpers on the tip and the heel. Nice gift box. Alright, let's get you guys a size reference here so you get a good idea for the overall size of the knife. Here's a large permanent marker. And we can see here that the handle is pretty much the same length as a permanent marker. Looks like this overall length is going to be about 12 inches. Yeah, just about a foot long there. And if we look at the tip of the blade to the heel, it is just about 7 inches long. But overall length, 12 inches. Nice size. Alright, let's get it on the scale to give you guys an idea for how heavy this knife is. Coming in at 7.9 ounces. And just for comparisons, here is my 8-inch Shun Classic Chef knife. That's coming in at 7.4 ounces. So an inch longer, but a little bit lighter. And that's just to show you that they're not making this out of tin foil and popsicle sticks. Again, coming in at 7.9 ounces. And if you're wondering how heavy that is, if you got a water bottle around the house and you fill it up about that much, that is about how much that knife weighs. Let's have a closer look at this beautiful Santoku blade profile. Let's start off with the thickness of the spine here. And it looks like it's just about the same thickness as a US nickel. Check out the curve on the spine here. Just to show you, here is the ruler. That's a flat edge right there. Look at the curve in there. That's really going to help you get your offhand right on the top of the spine and really give you leverage when you're trying to cut through something thick like squash. And on the other side, look at this huge curve on the edge. If you're a rock and chop person, you're really going to enjoy using this knife. And check out how fine that point comes down to right there. That's going to enable you to do really fine knife work. Alright, let me bring back in the Shun so you can see just how curvy the overall profile of this knife is. Alright, so there is the 8-inch Shun. And you can see that this is a traditional Japanese chef knife. Here you got curves all over the place. You got the edge, you got the top of the spine. Look at how curvy this handle is. Now you might have noticed these dimples or grooves. Some people call these fullers that are cut out on the flats of the blade here. These are Grantons. And its primary purpose, theoretically, is supposed to stop food from sticking to the blade, especially when you're cutting through something that's moist like fish or meat or even like potatoes. They tend to cling on to the blade. And it accomplishes that by giving less surface area for those things to contact. And also it's supposed to create an air pocket on both sides when you're going through those items to stop the food from sticking to the blade. Gonna bring you guys in close so you can check out the finish. Now this is polished, but you notice there's a little bit of dusting of a matte finish on there. You can see the Santoku knife 7 inches long series. Beautiful finish on that. Now the description of this knife says that this is AUS 10 steel. Now if you're not too familiar with AUS 10, it's a Japanese steel. It's a mid-grade steel. It's got a lot of chromium in it, about 13%, so you're going to get really good corrosion resistance. And it does take a razor sharp edge. It's very easy to maintain. And just in case you're wondering what edge angle they use to sharpen the blade edge, it's going to be at 15 degrees. And that's another reason why you're going to get a razor sharp edge. 15 degrees is perfect for slicing. Let's have a closer look at these beautiful African paca handles. Beautiful grain structure. Look at the curves. Look at the curves on this grip. It just matches the lines of the blade. Right? Little bit of a hump here. Comes around to the other side. And guys, this little curvature right here, your pinky fits in there so naturally. And you have another palm swell. So you have two palm swells. You got this palm swell. See how it flares out here? And right down in here. It's so comfortable to grip onto. So comfortable to grip onto. And if you're wondering about the edges right here, they are rounded. So you're not going to get any hot spots if you happen to creep up here. You also have sloped bolsters. Right, it's going to help promote a pinch grip when you're doing your chopping. It's beautiful. Also, on the topic of the heel, it is high enough so that it raises the handle high enough off the deck so you're not smashing your fingers into the cutting board when you're doing your cutting. But seriously, have a look at these lines, right? You have this nice curve, comes down in here, comes back up, small hump here, comes back around this way, comes back up, goes back in, and then goes back out, right up to the tip. I mean, that is just a beautiful looking knife. It's almost Lord of the Ring elvish looking. Alright, looks good, feels good, but does it cut good? That's a smooth, fast cut, guys. Woof! One more. That's a spicy meatball. Alright, let's try something crunchy. So nice. Watermelon. Mm. Once again, guys, this has been the 7-inch Santoku from Hoshanho. If you're looking for a new kitchen knife that's very comfortable in the hands, cuts super clean, and is absolutely gorgeous, this might be the new kitchen knife for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this Santoku knife, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.